Ow. What is this doing, video? That's how you're not supposed to use a screwdriver. Don't put it through your finger like that. It's not the proper way to use a fucking screwdriver. I bet I can screw the screw in. Ow, God,
Okay?
It's not even bleeding. Oh yeah, because the fucking screwdriver's still in there. Ow. Fuck. Alright, well, you know, you're gonna tape this while I pull it out. Oh shit. This fucking sucks. Okay, well, I'm gonna On three?
On 3?
Well, I'll turn around. We got. Alright, ready? 1,
2, 3. He may need stitches.
So you can't stitch a puncture wound. All the skin's there. Oh my god, it's fucking leaking like a sieve. Look. Here we go. Ooh. It's bleeding. Fuck. It's not that bad. It's just bleeding a little bit. Just a scratch. Doesn't even fucking hurt, dude. God damn, that's fucking bullshit. Fuck that computer.